So I've pulled some numbers. We're at the beginning of 2026. So I want to kind of share with you what's happened over the last few years in Athens. This is some information I shared with my team at our recent kickoff meeting. And stay tuned for future videos. I've got some additional information coming where we'll break things down into greater detail. We'll look specifically at Oconee County, specifically at Athens, various price ranges, what's happening in various price ranges. So follow the page here if you want to see more updates on the real estate market. This is high level, 10,000 foot overview of what we've seen over the last 5 years. So obviously, when you're just looking at number of transactions, and this is the Athens area. So this is Athens and surrounding areas pulled through our local MLS system. And if you remember back coming out of COVID, 2021 sales skyrocketed. So that was our peak year in number of transactions. And since then, things have slowed down. They were down a little bit in 22, down in 23, slight bump in 24, and then we're down just a hair on number of transactions in 25. So a few less houses sold in 25 compared to 2024. And when you take a look at that closer, you can see those are the actual numbers there that show you exactly for the year, what we're looking at on sales. So we were just over 4,000 transactions in the Athens area market in 24, just under 4,000 in 2025. So what about volume? What are we looking like there? Again, on volume, it's down just a hair, but not as much. And so how are transactions down more than volume? Well, volume accounts for the total sales price. And so what we've seen is average sales price has risen. So I'll show you that in a minute as well. So volume wise, we are pretty close to what we did back in the peak year with fewer transactions, which means, again, house prices have gone up. And when you look closer at that, average sales price, this is what we've seen. So if you've been sitting on the sideline and you're thinking about buying a house and you're just kind of saying, hey, I'm waiting on prices to come down. Well, because everybody thought it was inflated coming out of COVID, right? Prices surged. And we kind of thought that, hey, we've reached a peak. Well, they've continued to rise. And a lot of that is still due to lower inventory. We're seeing more inventory come online, more houses come up for sale. And that has helped things, but it's still overall, when you compare to, pre-COVID, we're still short on inventory in a lot of price ranges. So prices are holding and they're still going up. And you see that. And if you want to break it down on a number, we got that on the next slide. So yeah, 2021 average sales price in the Athens area was $330. 2025, it was just under $430. So that's a $100,000 difference on average in just 5 years. So again, prices continue to rise. I'm anticipating, and we'll do another video about rates coming up soon as well. Trump says he's going to get rates down. We'll see if he does. If he does, I do think that it will make homes more affordable and probably have some things for more, options for more people to buy more homes. So hope that's been helpful. Again, follow us if you'd like to see more information about specifics in certain areas, certain counties, certain price ranges. That'll be coming soon.